Hey guys, as you've seen already from the title, today we're gonna be dyeing my hair. It's not the first time I'm gonna be DIYing the hair color. I did it in the past quite a few times. I'm gonna try and add those videos in here if you guys wanna check it out. But this time I'm gonna go for a bit more extreme color. For this I chose the I Heart Revolution hair dye. I chose the lilac color. They actually say on their website that this one is for if you're interested in long-term color and you're ready to show the world your commitment. You are in the right place for affordable at-home semi-permanent hair color that lasts 8+ washes. Color doesn't mean you should compromise on conditioning. Rainbow Tones is infused with extra body conditioner for soft and voluminous hair. Okay, sounds good so far. It's not the first time though I'm trying the I Heart Revolution hair dye thing. I did try this. Now these are the rainbow shots and it says that it lasts for only 1 to 3 washes. I filmed this a while ago and then I was thinking if I should post it or no, because it was a while ago, it was a good few months ago, and I posted recently because I wanted both videos to be on so you guys can compare and see whichever product is better for you. So the video for this rainbow shots is in here. I'm not gonna spoil the video and see how it went, but I did this good few months ago and I just post a video now, so yeah, videos in there. In that video you can still see this finger being broken. Turns out I fractioned or broke it during the lockdown when lockdown just started, so I didn't go to ENA. It healed up now, but I have a bump in here, so that indicates it was or fractioned or broken. I'm fine though, like I can almost bend it, like, so it's all good. No, I'm a hardcore, I didn't even have any painkillers. Anyways, back to the hair dye. As you see, I'm not a natural blonde. I mean, it's pretty obvious. Plus, my hair color is a bit brassy. I especially didn't use any lightening shampoo, like purple shampoo, or any toner, as I wanna see how this would work just on a normal bleach hair, like on a, blonde brassy hair, not the already super light and a grayish whitish hair, and if it works, because you wanna see what I mean, about this one. It is in there. Okay, so without any further ado, what they say how to use this is apply to a shampooed damp hair, ensuring any residual styling products is removed. Using gloves, apply product to give your hair full coverage. Massage gently from roots to tips. Leave for 10-15 minutes and rinse thoroughly until the water runs clear. I think without any further ado, let's do it. Let's just see how my hair looks now so we can compare it later. Alright, I'm gonna quickly go wash my hair and I'll come back to you. Okay, so they say to apply this hair dye, they don't even call it a hair dye, they call it Rainbow Tones Color and Extra Body Conditioning in one. They don't call it a hair dye, but then they say it's only if you're ready to commit, so we'll see. Okay, let's just brush our hair quickly. Hair is brushed. Let's play with this. See how it looks. It might be stinky, it might not. I have no idea. Ooh, oh, this smells lovely. This just smells like your shampoo would be, or conditioner or something like this. It looks purple. This is a purple color, lilac dreams, lilac color that I chose. So the color makes sense. Like the color in a pot makes sense. It doesn't smell like a hair dye at all. It's no this like ammonia smell or anything like that, or bleach smell that your usual hair dyes would have. My god, it smells so lovely. Like literally like super fresh scent shampoo or your conditioner or shower gel would be. Okay, so they say to wear gloves to do this, so I'm gonna do that. I actually might throw a towel around my shoulders as well, just in case it's gonna stain. I even got a brush, but then, as I mentioned, I have no idea what to expect. If it's gonna be like this was, or it's gonna be like a proper hair dye that goes straight away on. Let's do this. Just massage it. I'm not sure if it's gonna take my natural hair, but I'm still gonna try, from roots, because as you see, my roots, my natural hair is a bit darker. It's not blonde. But we're gonna see, just gonna try. Maybe it will catch, maybe not. gonna wait 10 minutes, just gonna set the timer for 10 minutes and then we can wash it off. So I just set the timer for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna come back to you to see. So far, like I can see the purple color, the color changing on my hair. So that looks promising. But then we're gonna see if my hair will actually take it in and change the color or not. So I'll get back to you in 10 minutes. My alarm just went on. It's time to wash it off. So far, if you see, my hair did got some color, but it might be just the hair dye. It's not a hair dye, hair toner, like sitting on top of here. So I'm not sure if my hair absorbed it yet or not really. But I mean, you guys can see how it looks just now. I hope you see. So I'm gonna quickly jump into a shower once again, wash it off, and come back to you when I finish this out. The moment of truth, guys. Dun, 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 drum roll. Let's see what. Oh, okay. It looks promising. I think we need to dry to see the final result. I still see my blonde here, but then I see loads of strands of this purple shade. So it's very promising. I think I'm just gonna go and blow dry my hair and then come back to you to see how it looks. Okay, see you soon. So I blow dried my hair, I curled a little bit with a hair straightener and did my makeup, so I'll look a bit different now. But talking about hair color, it's not really the color I expected. I don't know what transfers through a camera lens and what you see, but the color I see in front of me in the mirror, I got the mirror here, is a little bit bluish. It's like a very cool toned blue color rather than the shade like in here, like on the packaging, because this is the shade I thought I'm gonna get. It's like a lilac, but then I got this bluish color, more like a denim color. Here you go. I'm really not sure what you see through camera lens, but in reality, what I see in the mirror, especially like a strand in here, looks very much so like a denim color. I don't know how it worked, what happened, the combo of the, bleach, because my hair is obviously bleached, been lightened before, or like some kind of chemical reaction. Plus, it didn't took over lightened color. Like, look at that. I have so much blonde color going on in here still. The blonde shade toned down. It's not as brassy, it's more cool tone, which I love, which is a color that I usually go for. But I'm really surprised with the way it dyed my hair. It didn't go all the way, like it didn't catch all the bleach hair, it just catches strands. But I thought I massaged it all in, because you see, I kept on top and I massaged it, so I thought I got color everywhere. But check it out and tell me what you think. I definitely got the color now on my hair. I'm not blonde anymore. I wouldn't choose it normally. I wouldn't pick it up like this color. But I do like it. I think it looks lovely. What you think, guys? What's your thoughts on it? Because I love it. What you guys think? Leave a comment down below, let me know. I really hope you guys found this video helpful and you enjoyed watching this. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more, and leave a comment down below, let me know if you tried already this and what you'd like to see next up on my channel. And I shall see you very soon, so thanks so much for watching and bye! Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao!